Hey guys, it's Crystal Liz, your favorite hair shop ambassador. And I'm here with my friend Savvy, and we did this textured, messy ponytail with the wrap pony from the hair shop. I'm gonna start out with adding texture. So I've prepped her hair with a heat protectant, and I'm just gonna go in with my flat iron, and I'm gonna do some waves. So as I move up the head, like past the occipital bone, I'm gonna like scoop my flat iron up to create like a little bit of lift. And that's only gonna help us in our like ponytail quest. So when I get to the very top section, the crown, I like to do the same thing. I like to scoop it for volume and then kind of blow on it. And that like cools it down while it's still in this like position. So now we've got our tousled, beachy, really messy, sexy waves. I'm gonna add a bunch of texture spray. I'm just gonna tease it a little bit right at the crown. So this next part, I'm just gonna kind of rake through it with my fingers. And I'm gonna pull out some, I like to call them hair whispers. Punch in on me. Whispers. Shh. Like I love these little guys. And then just with a regular hair tie, just make a pony. And then I like to like kind of pull some pieces. It's like you don't want it to be perfect. This part also literally could not be easier. You take like this little clip and you just clip it right into your pony. And then this just wraps around. I like to kind of like make sure it's a little bit messy. So one of my hair hacks are these hair pins. They're flocked and it's super grippy. I love these. And then you wrap it. Tuck that little end under. So I'm just gonna do the exact same wave techniques that I did when her hair was down. For this like first section, I wanna do the C motion because I want that like bump of volume. For you guys at home, I feel like it might be easier to put your pony on your style mate and you like can put your ponytail or whatever extensions in here and you can just do it yourself and not have to have someone hold it if you don't have an assistant. It's like honestly a game changer. So I'm gonna spray a little more texture spray because why not? Usually brunettes kind of always have this issue where you're not balding. However, you can kind of see the scalp, not on my watch. I like to spritz it with a little bit of hairspray, and then you can use like any sort of neutrally eyeshadow. And I like to spray the hairspray first because I feel like it just stick more, adhere better. And then at this point you can kind of evaluate, do I have enough whispers? Whispers. I love texture. I love flyaways, but sometimes it gets too crazy, too out of control. So I like to spray a tint brush and kind of like use that to smooth it out. Like I feel like it doesn't disrupt anything. What do we think? Oh my God. Who is she? Yes, little mama. Thank you guys so much for watching Hair Hacks. If there's any hair hacks that you guys wanna see, let us know. If you recreate any of these looks, we're dying to see it. Tag us, we wanna see your looks. Thank you so much. We love you.